That's a blooper. Hey Cookie Clan, and welcome back to another video, and today I am sick. I don't know if I have COVID or if it's just sinus trouble. Today, I am here. I'm on my new laptop. So that's cool. I can play video games for you guys. I can do more than what I could. I'm going to react to a weirdest sneezing compilation, and I'm doing a weirdest sneezing compilation because of the fact that I am not well. So let's get started. Hold up, now before we get into this video, I just want to make it clear that this video was recorded shortly after Christmas and that it wasn't 2023 yet. It still isn't at the time of this recording. It's New Year's Eve, actually. I'm very happy with the laptop. In 2023, you'll see better content than you did in 2022. I'm going to hop into this video, and I just wanted you to know. It's terrible, I'm sorry. Anyways, I thought you should know that the recording is from 2022. So, on to the video.
And as Biden pushes for more gun control, many are asking whether his own son is able to... Excuse me.
Alrighty, well, tomorrow we're going to visit friends at Heritage Animal Hospital.
We're going to learn a little bit more about vet techs.
Bless you. Sorry. Bless you. You see, I was like, I can't get sick.
I felt that coming and I couldn't stop it.
So once we get below that magic number of 32 for a couple of hours, it can turn icy. We're not seeing that this morning, but I do think there will be a better chance tomorrow morning.
You sound like you're gonna sneeze, ma'am.
This is what it feels.
You define when before too long might be.
I'm sorry, no. I love the fact that she had to go off screen to sneeze. She had to walk literally off screen and sneeze. That okay, I love that.
To the White House. Bless you.
Thank you.
The police are trying to track the person responsible.
Sorry.
January 2nd.
News this morning, a competitor is fighting the drug company that sparked outrage for hiking up. Excuse me, I just sneezed.
We can to keep up with Mother Nature, but...
Excuse me, I just sneezed. Really? I didn't know you sneezed. It was so silent, I couldn't tell.
Oh, excuse me, I thought I was going to sneeze. It's definitely going to be a...
Achoo, there she goes.
That is due to the weather. And then for JFK...
Bless you.
Picture showing... excuse me. Thank you. The precipitation a little heavier.
Right now are in the 30s. I'm so...
This was probably a bad idea because now my eye won't open due to the fact that I feel the sneeze coming on. Sorry.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
All right, Nora.
Bless you.
You know what? I just want to say bless you right now.
I've never done that to anybody.
Okay, I'm sorry. I keep pausing it, but can I just say, like, I've had a lot of moments where I'll do something and then post about it, just being like, does anyone ever do this?
Why do vlogs get me motivated to do stuff around the house? I don't know.
Does anyone else have that urge when you have a banana and there's a sticker on it? Does anyone else have that urge to put it on your face?
Does anybody, like, because I do it as well, but does anyone either watching something or, like, watching someone, like, in real life, does anyone just end up when they cough or burp or, like, do anything, you immediately say bless you? I do it on purpose when people burp or cough or fart. I say bless you.
Excuse me. Bless you. The shock of all that money.
Coronavirus infection with fresh lockdowns in France and in Poland.
Bless you.
That's not just like an underwear. That's
not
like
always
shorts.
the most comfortable. Kind of like a modern version.
Oh, bless
Oh,
you.
excuse me. I never sneeze on there, and I couldn't hold it. Sorry.
No, it's not good to hold.
I do look for that. Excuse me, y'all. I'm so sorry. Just wait.
I love her.
No more sneezing.
I'm sorry. Just people with like the absolute best country twang in their voice is just so awesome. I love that about people. And her sneeze, I'm playing that back. Hold on.
I do look for that. Excuse me, y'all. I'm so sorry.
Excuse me, y'all. I love that. I'm sorry.
Wait until April. No more sneezing.
After contracting that rare bug, and this is University Hospital.
That was so loud. He didn't even say bless you. Did he say bless you after? I'm hoping he said bless you after because he didn't even say thank you.
Wait until April. No more sneezing.
After contracting that rare bug, and this is University Hospital.
51 degrees. Excuse me. I can't help it. Excuse me.
That was adorable. I'm sorry. Is that the same girl?
I couldn't hold it. Sorry.
Hold on, is that the same girl?
I do look for that. Excuse me, y'all. I'm so sorry. Just wait until April. I can't help it. Excuse me. Okay, let's get back to the forecast.
I think that's the same person. I've gotta know who she is. I'm sorry.
Obviously, allergies are
Isobars are spread farther out, so the winds.
Excuse me.
And as Biden put.
Wait a minute. What? Was that a freaking fart?
Excuse me.
I'm sorry. What? That was a... What? Is he literally crying because he can't sneeze? Is he okay? Like, is he actually okay? When was this? 2008? Really? Wow. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you want to see more. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell button. Hit the like button. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye, Cookie Clan. Cookie out.